Hey y'all, we're back at it with another week of lunches, and on today's menu, we're making Callie a breaded chicken wrap. I picked these chicken tenders up from our local meat market, but normally we use the Just Bare lightly breaded chicken. Callie likes this avocado lime ranch from Chick-fil-A, so that's what I'm adding. Now I'm just gonna pile all that chicken on top. I use the lettuce boat to hold the ranch so that it doesn't get the wrap soggy, because nothing's worse than a soggy wrap. Stick that little piece of chicken right back in the end. Here's how it's looking. It looks so good, crispy, and delicious. So these little tropical wrappers to wrap her wraps in and sandwiches, and it's so cute. It just reminds me of the summertime being at the beach. Callie has a sticker collection, so I used her little sunshine sticker to stick everything together. Last night I made a high protein mac and cheese, and Callie said she wanted to take some for lunch today. Now my secret is to add heavy whipping cream, so when you warm this back up, it's creamy again. Then I added some nacho cheese Doritos to her lunchbox. One of the RX bars, this is the chocolate sea salt. I filled her a Walla bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Happy Monday. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So yesterday, Callie said she loved the macaroni and cheese, but she wants the chicken on the side because she wants to make a chicken macaroni bowl. I added a little bit of heavy cream so that when she microwaves it, it will be creamy again. And then I got started on her chicken tenders. I air fried these 3 little chicken tenders. Usually we use the Just Bare chicken tenders, but I picked these up at our local meat market. It's called Schuler Meats if you're in the area. Since I added the heavy cream, she didn't want the chicken and the macaroni together because she didn't want it making the chicken soggy. So she's just going to add it to the top of the macaroni once she heats everything up. Now we're moving on to the snacks. I added these little baby goldfish, and they're so cute and little. And then to the smaller side, I'm going to peel and add a cutie. I'm just pulling the little pieces apart and sticking it down into the container for her. And look how cute those little baby goldfish are. I added her a Nutella on the go with breadsticks, a fork so that we don't receive a complaint. I filled her water bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So today she wanted to take a mashed potato bowl. I packed her some of my homemade mashed potatoes, and now I'm just adding corn to the top of it, and then I'm going to cover everything in cheese. This is sharp cheddar cheese that I just shredded up. I air fried her up some of the same chicken that I got from Schuler Meats. I'm just cutting everything up so that it can go on top of her mashed potato bowl. You can't tell, I'm also burning my little phalanges off because this chicken was really hot. I know I'm going to get questions about why I don't have gravy on this mashed potato bowl, but she doesn't like gravy on her mashed potato bowl when the gravy is cold and she has to warm it up because she says it has like a jello consistency and she doesn't like the texture of that. Then I packed her up some of these Utz rippled sour cream and onion potato chips. I had a few of my organic strawberries left, so I decided to cut those up and put them inside of her lunch container with a little bit of Nutella. I know a lot of people question whether or not she's allowed to have Nutella. She is at her school, and if she wasn't, I wouldn't pack it. I packed her a spoon so that we don't receive a complaint. I filled her a Walla bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Happy Wednesday. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So I made her the taco meat mixture that I make in the crock pot again. This meal is just so good. We eat it in tacos over rice and over nachos. Then I added her some Greek yogurt. She likes to use Greek yogurt as sour cream in her bowls. I added an ice pack to keep the sour cream cool. I added some of her favorite Annie's cheddar bunnies and a Rice Krispie treat. I gave her a cutie for her fruit, a spoon so that we don't receive a complaint. I filled her water bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Happy Thursday. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. This is how my morning started. Hopefully yours started a little better, but don't worry, I was able to save it. Last night I made some chicken parmesan, and Callie said she wanted to take it for lunch today, so here I am just cutting it up into strips. This was super easy to make. I baked the chicken for like 20 to 25 minutes, and then once that was done, I added some blended cottage cheese and some marinara sauce on top. I sprinkled a little parmesan, and I let it broil for another 4 to 5 minutes. Next, I started cutting up some pepperonis because Callie wanted a really simple salad. All she wanted was the salad and the pepperonis on top, and that is it. I asked her if she wanted me to put anything else on the salad, and she said no, so that's what I made her. Now, by super simple, I didn't mean dressing free, so of course I added some of my homemade dressing into her container, and then I packed it into her lunchbox. I did make sure to add an ice pack to keep the dressing cool and to keep this little midday square cool. I added some Doritos and a fork so that we don't receive a complaint. I filled her water bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Happy Friday.